We're at Zehr Escape, and it's been 2 days after the storm. I was able to get out yesterday. The driveway was kind of tight, so we widened that a little bit this morning and put ashes on. Ashes are great for anti-skid. Really gives some traction. I got the turnaround. Lucas helped me dig it out more, so I think I can back in here and actually make it up. Last night I couldn't do it, so I just pulled in. But ashes are really, really good. So not only does it give you really good traction, they're light, so you don't have to carry a lot. I used to use sand with salt in it, but it's very heavy, and honestly, I think the ashes do better. The darkness, you get that dark on there, that black. The sun just loves it, absorbs the sun, heats it up, and pretty soon this will be melted down if we have some sun. Have a little bit of sun today. We did our paths, and I think we're all good here. So I'm heading down to Zehr State, and I did one pass and a half on the sidewalks yesterday. So I'm going to do some more, and then I need to do the inner sidewalks. We can see the banks are pretty tall. That's one of the problems, is where do you put all the snow? Shoveling's bad enough, but then when you don't even have room to throw it, makes it tougher. But try some ashes, wood ashes. If you do put some wood in the stove that has nails in it, get the nails out after the ashes are nice and cool or cold, or watch for them when you're throwing down the ashes, and the nails will be just fine for reuse. But I try not to throw too many in when I know I'm going to use the ashes. Okay, let's get to the other project.